Hello, how to cure yellow diarrhea in poultry and boost immunity with oregano plant juice. Do you know oregano plant? Do you know that in poultry farming, there are different diseases and infections that attack your poultry beds? All these diseases, viral, fungal, bacteria, and others, manifest through their poultry droppings. That is the one you call poo-poo. When these birds are attacked, they are manifested through their poultry droppings. That is why most of the times, as an experienced poultry farmer, you can use their poultry droppings to dictate the particular infection your poultry is facing. Though at times it is difficult because they may have what we call mixed viral or mixed bacterial infections. A poultry bird can be attacked by two viral diseases at the same time. So it is difficult for you to detect the particular one. They can be attacked by parasites and at the same time bacterial infection at the same time. And all this will manifest through their droppings and it will be confusing. So in this particular video, I'm going through a series of different poultry diarrhea. I'm going through yellow diarrhea, green diarrhea, red diarrhea, brown diarrhea, watery foamy diarrhea, and other poultry diarrhea you need to know. So all these are as a result of one infection or the other. In the video, I will tell you the signs and symptoms of each of the poultry diseases or infections the poultry bird is passing through. Why is there poultry poo-poo or the poultry dropping color giving you that particular color? I will also tell you the organic remedy, because here what I'm teaching you is purely organic. Why organic? Because you don't spend money like this. Now I have this around my environment. I don't buy this. If you ask me to get the money to go and buy synthetic medication, I will not have the money. But this one now, I can just go and pluck it, and I know what it will do for me. What you are seeing here alone is less than 200 naira. This can cure over 200 birds, as you see it. When I prepare it, this is in my environment. This is tree spinach. It is here. This tree spinach boosts immunity. At the same time, it boosts the growth and weight of poultry birds. It is called a blood leaf. It gives blood to poultry animals. This is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is also an antibiotic. This is pawpaw leaf. Pawpaw is parasite. Parasite, it disinfects poultry from parasite. And many of them, this is lime. The same. And this is bitter cola. Bitter cola, you can see bitter cola cures CRUD, cough, CRUD, and other viral infection and bacterial infections also. Can see most of them here. But if you go to the market to buy synthetic medication, most of the synthetic medications are not well preserved. That is why most of them always fail. Some synthetic medications have the level of temperature they need to stay with. But in some vet shop, they don't even have AC. They don't even have ordinary fan. The heat there alone can even destroy the efficacy of those synthetic medications. But this organic now doesn't have any. It's just natural. You just plug it and use it at the same time. It's not like expiring date. It doesn't have expiring date. Once something you plug from your garden, prepare it and give to your birds at once. So that's why they work faster. So let me give you yellow diarrhea with oregano plant. You know oregano. See the video of oregano, how oregano looks like. Let us start with this yellow diarrhea. Then we go to green, white, red, watery, and brown, including watery foamy and others. Yellow diarrhea in poultry chicken is a troubling symptom that often signals deeper health issues such as bacterial or viral infections. Poor diet or toxin exposures, if left untreated, it can quickly lead to a dehydration, stunted growth, weak immune system or weak immune response, and even mortality. Thankful to nature that provides powerful remedies, one of which is the oregano plant. Oreganum vulgare is the botanical name. When prepared as a juice, oregano can not only treat yellowish diarrhea or yellowish droppings effectively, but it can also build strong resistance against the occurrence of such infections and other infections that can destroy or wipe out your poultry flock. What are the possible causes of yellow diarrhea or yellow droppings in poultry chickens? Number one is Salmonella infection. Salmonella infection is number one. Secondly is E. coli infection, caliboliosis. Third is coccidiosis, can still manifest in that yellow diarrhea. And that one, Newcastle disease, at early stage of Newcastle disease, can manifest in that. And that one is fungal toxin injections using moldy food or bad food. And that one is liver dysfunction or fatty liver syndrome in poultry bird, can still manifest in that nature. And that one is poor quality feed or feed intolerance. And that one is overuse of antibiotics or drug reactions. Nutritional deficiency, especially vitamin A and deficiency in vitamin B complex. And that one is stress from heat, overcrowding or transport stress can cause yellowish diarrhea. Then what happens when chickens start dropping yellow color diarrhea? One, if they start noticing that in poultry bed, they will lose weight automatically. The weight gain will decrease completely. You will not. That is when you start seeing unstunted growth. Rapid dehydration, loss of appetite and weight. That is when they stop eating, it automatically they can't gain weight any longer. Lethargy and weakness, they will be weak. Most of the times they will be looking at you. You won't know that they are looking at you. We call it 430 eye. They're looking at this side. They want to see, you are here, they are watching you, but they'll be looking at this side. That is some of the signs. Feather roughaging and dullness. Their feather will plump as if you gum it on their body. Drop in egg production if they are layers. Increase mortality rate. Before you know it, they will start buying one after the other. Today you pack one, the next day you pack two, the next day you pack 10, the next day you pack 15. You see them. Even in the night, you see them falling like orange tree. And that one is odor from your poultry pen, foul odor. The place will be very smelly because of the dropping. Because they have bacteria. That bacteria will cause the pen to be smelling always. Poor feed conversion ratio. The feed will not be able to digest well. Most of the time, the feed will stuck on their gut here. They will not digest it. Most of the times, they will eat and you will not see any sign that they are eating. You put one bag of feed for them, they will feed you one bag of feed, and you will not see any result that there will be no increment in their size. They will still look young, every day young. They will look, even if you slaughter them, their meat, their bone, even if they reach 6 weeks, 8 weeks, their bone will still be as tender as the old chick bone. Greater susceptibility to secondary infections. They will open up to receive more infections. Other infections will be coming after them, and they will be infected easily because their immunity is already porous. Powerful medicinal properties of oregano plant to cure yellow diarrhea. 1. Oregano has antibacterial which fight E. coli, Salmonella, and other gut infections. It has antiviral properties which suppresses viral agents like Newcastle disease virus. It has antifungal which destroys mycotoxins from moldy feeds. It has antioxidant which repairs internal organ damage and caused by toxins. It has anti-inflammatory which reduces swelling of the intestinal and gut linings. It has antiparasitic property which inhibits coccidia and worm activities in the poultry bed. It has immunobooster which increases natural resistance and white blood cell activity which strengthen their immunity and at the same time help them to prevent catching diseases. Appetite stimulant is there which helps birds recover and eat well and at the same time recover from feeding behavior quickly. They have digestive aid which balances gut flora and improves nutrient absorption. It has detoxifier which helps liver function very well and cleanses the bloodstream. If you're a poultry farmer, oregano is your good to go herb for you to use to clear yellowish diarrhea. Yellow dropping or yellowish diarrhea in poultry are not just messy problem. They are a clear sign of deeper internal distress. Acting quickly with a natural oregano solution like oregano plant juice can make a huge difference immediately in preventing birth loss and boosting flock health. With its broad spectrum anti-medicinal properties and antibiotic properties, oregano not only treats but also prevents reoccurrence. Introduce oregano juice into your poultry birds today as a regular health routine for your poultry birds. It is safe, affordable, and highly effective, and cheaper also to maintain in your flock. Thank you for watching this video. Do you have oregano in your environment? Do you know that oregano can do this kind of job? Are your poultry birds dropping yellowish diarrhea? Which diarrhea are you facing right away in your poultry farm? Let me know on the comment section. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers and drop your view about this particular topic. Whatever you think about this topic and this oregano plant, let us know on the comment section. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers and subscribe to our channel. Join our channel community membership. Join others there like Duru, Suzanne, Eunice, Keystone Farms, Key Solution Farms, Alofona Amaka, and Izuchukwu Ibekwe, Janet Igwe, Ude Onyedekachi, and Kiwi TV and Slow 24 TV. All of them are there. Join them there. There is nothing like compromising with your bank card. Use your bank card and select any of the choice that suits your financial position and join us. Let us move the channel forward. For now, till the next video is uploaded. Remember, I'm going to treat all the whole diarrhea as I mentioned. Yellow diarrhea, green diarrhea, red diarrhea, watery diarrhea, brown diarrhea, and watery foamy diarrhea. All these I'm going to treat them consecutively. Watch them in other channels. Please subscribe to our both channels. And make sure you watch all this because it's going to help you to know what to do when your poultry birds manifest any of these poultry droppings. How to use oregano plant to cure yellowish diarrhea in poultry. First, identify the plant very well so that you don't make mistake. Second, gather 500 grams of oregano grass or weed. Wash it thoroughly. Pound it if you have mortar and pestle, or use blender to blend it properly. Add 1 liter of water to help you to extract the juice from the plant. After extracting the juice, keep it in a good container and secure it. Use 10 ml and dilute it with 2 ml of water and serve to your birds during the brooding stage. 15 ml for birds during the growing stage and 20 ml for birds during the finishing stage. This will take care of this yellowish diarrhea in poultry chicken and at the same time boost their immunity. Do this between 3 to 5 days. You're going to get amazing results. Yellowish diarrhea is a sign of infection in poultry. Take care of it with oregano plant and thank me. Let's move continuously in this particular channel. You take action immediately and solve the problem instead of allowing your birds to go like that. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Hello, how to cure yellow diarrhea in poultry and boost immunity with oregano plant juice.